How to wash a bird bath with vinegar. Bird baths need to be cleaned regularly to keep them sanitary and in good condition. Bird baths will often look grungy or unappealing when they are not cleaned, which takes away from their beauty. Cleaning bird baths will also help to protect the health of the birds and creatures that use it. Instead of purchasing a cleaning solution at the store, you can save money and clean your bird bath with vinegar. Things you'll need: white distilled vinegar, nylon scrub brush. Change the water in the bird bath 2 to 3 times a week. Pour out the water and rinse the bird bath with clean water. This keeps harmful bacteria out of the bird bath. Combine 1 part white distilled vinegar with 4 parts water. Allow the solution to sit in the bird bath for 15 minutes. Scrub the bird bath with a nylon scrubbing brush to remove any lingering stains. Pour the vinegar solution out of the bird bath. Rinse the bird bath with clean water, and then fill it with fresh water.